Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. This week we are going to be planting my seedlings that I've had in my closet. The last video I created my garden beds and now they're all prepped and prepared for me to start planting. They have been in that closet for about a month, so we're going to be transplanting them today just because they're getting way too big to be put in the closet and they're drinking up a lot of water, they need a lot of light, and they still need the heat. Better to just put them outside, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. Now, I do have all of these to plant. Some of them are taking a little longer than others, but some of them are starting to yellow because they are just in here, and some of them died. Okay, I do have these boxes that I get from my meal kit services. I'm gonna be taking them outside in that. We're going to be taking these bigger ones first. Look at that. That's zucchini. All right, we are going outside. All right, I just set those plants by the gardens. I'm gonna go get my golf cart and a couple tools for planting. I got the compost yesterday. We're gonna have to put that on before we plant. We are going to be starting with these zucchini plants. I didn't fill these enough to plant just in here, so I did bring this so that I could dig out some of the ground underneath so that I could put these plants. This stuff will just be like topsoil for the top of it. I really hope this grows in clay because this seems very clay-like. Probably have gloves on. Now we want to put these about 12 to 18 inches apart, I believe. Each one of them has a different growing distance, I guess, like room that they need to grow. I'm going to be starting on peppers right now and going back to the other garden to put stuff in the middle after I plant these. Now I believe these are 2 plants, so I might separate them. Let's see what it looks like. No, I won't. Tomatoes, zucchini. I'm going to be bringing out a couple more things for the middle of there. Got about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers in that line right there. And we're going back inside for another round. This bed right here has tomatoes, cucumber, zucchini, and green beans. This one has green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, broccoli, and cantaloupe so far. Going in to get some more. Now we've got our batch of lettuce. We're going to be putting that in a different garden. Okay, so these are the gardens that I planted. Unfortunately, the camera stopped working and about 30 of my videos didn't film. I finished planting all of the vegetables and I went ahead and gathered some chicken tunnels so that I can put these over it. This is just temporary because I needed to get these planted, but I didn't have anything in place to put around them. I also did water them yesterday, and it's supposed to rain, I think, again tomorrow. I might be out here again today. If the sun dries a lot of this watering that I did, then I'll water them again. My idea for this area is to put some wooden stakes with some bird netting around it and build a little door. I'm going to be doing that sooner than later, but right now those chicken tunnels are protecting the plants. I really hope these gardens stick. This video was actually filmed in late March, so or maybe even early April. So I was thinking that it was okay, but a couple 50-degree temperatures hit and maybe even a couple frosts. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Because it's basically the beginning of, don't put that. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Last video I did, I planted my, don't put that. The last video I did, I created my garden beds out on my property. Don't put that.